Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michelle Newcomb and I will be teaching you in SWB110 this semester, Understanding Families. This is a very short video to just show you where to find things on the Blackboard page for this class. Now this class, for some of you in Social Work and Human Services, it's a mandatory class. You have to do it for a part of your qualification. We also have students from other faculties such as education and psychology who join us. So hi, thanks for joining us if you're from those disciplines. In this class, we want to get an idea of the history and social construction of families, including children, parents, mothers, that kind of stuff. We're going to look at different theories that apply to the family. That might be feminist theory, it might be queer theory, all sorts of different theories. We're also going to look at different types of families. So I'm really interested to teach you and to explore different kinds of families we have in Australia, the challenges those families face, but also the strengths and resilience that those families have as well. So at times we're all going to relate to part of this subject because we've all been in some form of family, whether that's a family of choice, the family we were born into, etc. So for some of us, it might have a deep resonance with us. So be prepared at times for things to really make you think a little bit about your own experiences. If that's problematic for people and you need to explore that further, obviously we have counselling services here at QUT. But let's talk about where to find information on the website. So each week we will be putting up an announcement that will tell you information about the course. That might be the topic, links to Zoom settings, things like that. So watch for that on a Monday. I will send that out to you. Each week I've just signposted here, so they all have names. You'll find the lecture slides, tutorial slides there. They're the same tutorial slides for both on-campus and off-campus learners. Here you'll find your blog posts. It says type your blog posts here. They relate to assessment item 2. You can of course find out more about your assessment by clicking on the assessment tab here, and there's some instructional videos about all of the assessment there as well. Something that I do want to show you is here under learning resources. Now this is really important, okay guys. This is what's going to get you through this unit and keep you organized here, and it's called Everything You Need to Know About This Unit. So it's really this document here, okay, this Word document. So we're going to open it up. Like I've said here, I suggest you actually print it and stick it up on your wall if you've got access to a printer. Otherwise, you know, keep it on your desktop somewhere handy to have a look at, and it'll tell you in great detail what we're doing each week. So let's have a look at it now. So this rather fabulous document will tell you everything that you need to know about the unit. So if you've got questions, you're not sure about something, always come back to this document, okay? And it'll tell you here, I haven't got the actual dates of assessment, but I've got the weeks that they're due, okay, because they change for us every year. Then each week, you can see I've put the week, the date that it starts, the title, what you're meant to get out of it. This is self-directed learning, so this is what you need to do outside of the classroom. So I'll put the readings on here. I've given you a podcast each week. Now, I'm not going to assess you on that. That's just if you're at home and you're learning from home, you might find it really useful to listen to that. Some people find that kind of medium really useful. That's something I like in my learning, but like I said, it's not accessible. You don't have to read or listen to the podcast, I should say. Now, there are two main forms of learning that you'll have with me in this unit. That will be the lecture. So some of you are going to come on campus and do the lecture, others are going to listen to it online, and it will also be the tutorial. Some people, again, are going to come on campus and do the tutorial, most likely with me or one of our tutors, or you'll be doing the tutorial online. And so here, learning activity 1, this is what happens in the lectures. This is what happens in the TUE, the learning activity 2, but you'll find those slides where I showed you under each week. And then there's follow-up activities for you. Some of it will be just contributing to the discussion board for the most part. You can or can't do those. You do need to do 2 discussion board posts, obviously, for your assessment. And then it'll tell you what assessment we have. Now, there is these online quizzes that are happening every fortnight for the first 8 weeks. I will remind you that the quiz is coming up. Obviously, I won't do the study for you or sit the test for you, so just please, you know, be mindful of that. The other thing I would say to you is I've split the unit up. So in the beginning, we're looking at, in the blue here, an introduction. So an introduction to families. So history, social context, theoretical context. Then we're going to look at families in the life course, so different stages that the family might go through, such as having children, issues that come up with families when they marry in terms of gender, separation, divorce, and 1 week on domestic and family violence. And then towards the end of the semester in the green here, we're going to talk about families and disadvantage. So families that are doing it tough in Australia, we'll be looking at their stories and experiences a little bit more fully. So just remember where this is. Okay, so remember that this document is under the Learning Resources tab here. Okay, so it's at the top here. So if you've got questions, always come back to this document. It's very, very, very important. I think that's for the most part everything covered that you'll need to know to get started, but just drop me an email if you're really, really unsure. You can also use the discussion board to post questions. Obviously, I'm not chained to my computer or my desk, so if you do send an email, it might take me a day or two to get back to you, but I will endeavour to do so as quickly as possible. I hope you enjoy the unit. I love teaching it. I think it's really interesting, and I try to make it as interesting as I can. And as topical as I can. So be ready to have some debates, be ready to form some opinions, be ready to question some things. Just be ready not to sit on your bum and be passive. We want you to engage. That's a part of the learning process. Okay, I'll see you next week. Cheers.